At 42, Mark looked financially stable. He had a job, a house, a car. The bills were paid. But behind that normal life, there was a serious problem. $18,000 in debt, a pension that had barely grown, no serious investments, and a net worth that had been stuck for years. He was not poor, but he was not building wealth either. And that is the dangerous trap of your 40s. You earn more than you used to, you feel more secure, but if your lifestyle grows as fast as your income, your future stays trapped. The problem is not just how much money you make, it is what happens to that money after you earn it. In this video, I'll show you 3 financial moves that can help you take back control of your 40s. Kill the debt draining your cash flow, invest before your lifestyle touches the money, and build a second income from what you already know. Let's start with the first move. Kill the debt that is draining your future. Mark's first mistake was believing his debt was manageable. The credit card did not feel like an emergency. The car finance felt normal. The small personal loan was just another monthly payment. No single payment looked devastating on its own. But together, they were doing one very specific thing. They were stealing his future every single month. High-interest debt is dangerous because it does not make noise. It does not destroy you in one day. It weakens you slowly. A credit card with high interest is not just another expense. It is a guaranteed loss. If you are paying 20% interest on debt while hoping to earn 7% or 8% from investing, you are trying to build wealth while part of your money is burning on the other side. Most people manage debt emotionally. They pay whatever feels most urgent, whatever sends the most notifications, whatever creates the most anxiety. But that is not a strategy. That is financial survival. The first move is to create a sequence. First, attack the highest interest debt, credit cards, expensive loans, unnecessary finance agreements. Then move to mid-interest debt, such as car finance and personal loans. Finally, review longer-term, lower-cost debt more carefully, such as your mortgage. The goal is not to become obsessed with being completely debt-free. The goal is to free up cash flow, because every payment you eliminate is money that can finally be used to build something. But this is where the most common mistake happens. One payment disappears, and lifestyle immediately takes its place. You used to pay $300 a month for the car. Then the car is paid off, but instead of investing that $300, suddenly there's a new phone, more meals out, more subscriptions, more comfort. The debt is gone, but the money is gone too. So the rule is simple. When you eliminate a payment, do not increase your lifestyle. Automate that amount immediately towards your next financial goal. Because the real change is not paying less, it is directing better. Move 2. Invest before your lifestyle takes the money. Most people do not fail financially because they lack intelligence. They fail because they use the wrong order. First, they pay everyone else, then they live, then they spend. Then, if anything is left, maybe they invest. But almost nothing is ever left. People who build wealth do the opposite. They invest first, then they live on what remains. The important part is not the name of the account. The important part is this: the money has to move before you have the chance to spend it. Mark started with £200 a month. It did not look like a huge amount. It did not make him rich in a few weeks. It did not change his life immediately. But it changed the system. Every month, as soon as his salary arrived, a portion of it was moved automatically. No emotional decision. No, let's see what is left. No fragile promise made at the end of the month.
the right behavior became automatic. And this is where your 40s become decisive. Starting at 40 is not the problem. Waiting until 50 is the problem. 10 years are not just 10 years. They are 10 years of contributions, 10 years of growth, 10 years of reinvested dividends, 10 years of compound interest. £1 invested today still has time to work. £1 spent without intention disappears forever. Automation matters because it protects you from yourself. When you are tired, you spend. When you are stressed, you justify. When you've had a difficult week, you say, "I deserve it." And maybe you do, but if you deserve it every single month, 10 years from now, you may have nothing to show for it. That is the difference between comfort and freedom. Comfort is what you buy today. Freedom is what you build quietly over time. If this idea is making you rethink the way you manage your salary, subscribe and leave a like. Now comes the third move, the one that reduces the biggest risk.
Move 3. Build a second income from what you already know. Even if you eliminate the debt, even if you invest every month, there is still one problem. Your entire financial life may depend on one salary. At 25, that seems normal. At 40, it becomes risky. One employer, one company decision, one restructuring, one redundancy, and everything can change. A second source of income is not just ambition, it is protection. It does not mean quitting your job. It does not mean becoming famous online. It does not mean building an empire in 3 months. It means taking a part of what you already know and turning it into a separate stream of cash flow. An accountant can sell financial templates. A teacher can create digital study guides. A manager can consult for small businesses. A designer can sell digital assets online. A logistics expert can help local companies reduce costs and delays. By the time you reach 40, you have something many younger people do not have: real experience. You have seen problems. You have solved situations. You understand how certain industries actually work. You have judgment. The problem is that many people leave all of that value trapped inside their salary. Mark had worked in logistics for almost 18 years. He believed his experience was only valuable to the company he worked for. Then an old colleague asked him for help improving the delivery process of a small business. Mark analyzed the routes, the costs, the delays, and the warehouse flow. The project paid him £700. It was not enough money to change his life, but it changed the way he saw himself. For the first time, he had earned money that did not depend on his employer. And because that money was not already assigned to the mortgage, bills, or groceries, he was able to invest all of it. That is the power of a second income. Your salary funds your life. A second income can fund your freedom. The complete system. The 3 moves work because they connect. First, you eliminate expensive debt. That frees up cash flow. Then you automate your investments. That stops your lifestyle from consuming the money you have just freed. Then you build a second income. That increases your earnings without depending on one single source. Debt goes down, investments go up, income increases, risk decreases. This is not luck. This is financial architecture. Mark thought he needed to earn much more money, but in reality, he needed to stop letting his money move without direction. Because when money does not have a plan, your lifestyle will give it one. Your 40s are a unique decade. You are no longer young enough to waste time without consequences, but you are not too old to change direction. You have experience. You have more awareness. You probably earn more than you did at 25, and you still have time to build something serious. But you do not have time to keep delaying. Every year you lose does not only cost you money, it costs you options. The option to retire earlier, the option to work less, the option to leave a job that drains you, the option to choose instead of being forced by circumstances. Real wealth does not just buy luxury, it buys options. 3 years later, Mark had not become a millionaire, but he was no longer the same man. He had less debt, more investments, a second income, and most importantly, a system. He had not changed his personality, he had changed his structure. And this is the most important lesson. You do not need to become perfect with money. You simply need to stop letting it move without a plan. If this video gave you a different perspective on your 40s, subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you for watching until the end. I'll see you in the next one.